Year 3. Let's start by solving the Venn diagrams we had in our homework. We have here some pictures of some people with black hair, brown hair, yellow hair. Some are males, boys, some are females, girls. Some are wearing glasses, some are not. We need to fill this Venn diagram. What do I have here? I have two circles. The first circle wears glasses. The second circle, females. What about this common part? Yes, it is for the names that I want to put in both circles. So this part is for females that are wearing glasses. Okay, let's fill this part. Look at the pictures you have. Do I have a female that is wearing glasses? Let's look at the females. Yes, Anna is wearing glasses. Rosie is not wearing glasses and Megan is not wearing glasses. So which name goes here? Yes, Anna. Now let's fill this circle. I will put here the names of the people wearing glasses but are not females. So I will put here the names of the people wearing glasses but are not females. Let's have a look. Ben doesn't wear a glass. Anna, we already wrote it. Seb is wearing glasses and he's not a female, he's a male. So Seb goes here in this part. Okay, what about Rosie? No, because I want people wearing glasses and are not females. Yes, Jamie is wearing glasses and he's not a female, so I will add the name of Jamie. What about Dan? He's not wearing glasses, and Megan, she's not wearing glasses. Okay, now let's fill this part. What shall I put in this part? I will put females that are not wearing glasses. I will put females that are not wearing glasses. Let's have a look. I already put Anna. Rosie. Is she a female? Yes, she is. Is she wearing glasses? No, she's not. So Rosie goes here. The next female is Megan. She's a female and she's not wearing glasses, so I put her name here in this part. What are the names I have that I didn't write? Yes, Ben. I didn't write Ben because Ben doesn't wear glasses and of course he's not a female. Where does Ben's name go? I need to write him somewhere. Yes, I will write him outside the two circles, but inside this rectangle. All the names have to be inside this big rectangle. So I will write Ben here. The last name, we already wrote Anna, we wrote Seb, we wrote Rosie, we wrote Jamie. Yes, Dan, we didn't write Dan because he doesn't fit in any of the two circles. He doesn't wear glasses and he's not a female. So Dan goes outside the circles but still inside the rectangle. Now let's solve the second example. The same people, but the change is in the Venn diagram. Now the two circles are different. The first circle has blonde hair. The second circle is for males. Okay, let's start filling this common part. What shall I put here? I will put here males, means boys that have blonde hair. Blonde hair is yellow hair. Look at the pictures. Do you see a boy that has blonde hair? Yes, we see Jamie. Jamie is a boy, is a male, and he has blonde hair. So Jamie goes here in this common overlapping part. Now let's fill this part. What goes here? I will put here people that have blonde hair, that have yellow hair, but are not males, that are not boys. Okay. Who has yellow hair other than Jamie? Yes, Rosie. Rosie has blonde hair. Is she a male? No, she's a female, so I will put the name of Rosie here. What about this part? I will put here the males that don't have blonde hair. The males that don't have blonde hair. Let's check. The first male is Ben. Does he have blonde hair? No. So I will put him in the right side circle. Anna is a female. Seb. Seb is a male. Does he have blonde hair? No. So I will add him too. Jamie, we already wrote him. Dan is a male. Does he have blonde hair? No, he doesn't. Okay. Now let's check. Did any of the names that didn't fit? Ben, already I wrote Ben. I wrote Anna. No, I didn't. So where shall Anna go? Anna will be outside the two circles, but inside the rectangle. Why? Because Anna doesn't have blonde hair and she's not a male. So she doesn't fit in any of the two circles. I will write her here outside. Yes, Anna. This is the name of Anna. Okay, did I write Seb? Yes, Seb is written. Rosie is written. Jamie is written. Dan is written. The last name, Megan. She's not written in any of the two circles because she doesn't have blonde hair and she's not a male. So I will put her outside the circles. Now let's move on to reading weight. Remember we talked about weight? Weight is mass. They are the same. The unit of measuring mass or weight is the kilogram and the gram. The kilogram for measuring heavier objects and the gram is for measuring light objects. Okay, I have here three scales. What is the scale? The scale is the equipment I use for measuring weight. Let's start with the first scale. This one. This one or actually all these three scales are reading in kilograms. The first scale, where is the arrow pointing to? 14. So my weight here is 14 kilograms. The second scale, where is my arrow pointing to? 8. So the weight here is 8 kilograms. The third scale, where is my arrow pointing to? Oh, it's pointing to a dash with no number. Let's guess this number. The dash before it is 8 and the dash after it is 10. So what is the number between 8 and 10? Exactly, it's 9. So this scale is reading 9 kilograms. Now we have another set of scales. But here what do I have different? Between each two numbers, I have 4 parts. I have 4 parts. So this part exactly, this dash, where is it between the two numbers? Yes, it is exactly in the middle because I have 2 parts before it and 2 parts after it. Remember from the fractions, this point exactly in the middle between any two numbers, what do I call it? Yes, I call it half. So for example, this dash is reading 2.5. This dash is reading 1. It's after the 1, so it's 1.5. This one, 2.5. What about this one the arrow is pointing to? What is it reading? Let's check. It is between the 3 and the 4, exactly in the middle. So it is 3.5, exactly. How do I write the half? Let's remember from the fractions. It's 1/2. 1/2. The next scale, the arrow is pointing here also in the midpoint between 1 and 2. So what is this scale reading? It's reading 1.5. Yes, exactly. What does this mean? It means I didn't reach the 2. I am at the 1 and I only move halfway through. So it's 1.5. Exactly. The last scale. Where is it pointing to? I reached the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's pointing here midway between the 5 and the the next number. So it's 5.5. I want to ask you a question. If my arrow is pointing here, what is this? Between the 0 and the 1, the midway between 0 and 1. What is it? Yes, it's half a kilogram. Half a kilogram, super. Okay, so we said that the standard unit or the most famous unit for measuring mass or measuring weight is the kilogram for heavy objects and the gram for lighter objects. 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? It is equal to 1,000 grams. So 1 kilogram is made up of 1,000 of these small grams. See these small dots, black dots? Each dot is a gram. If I have 1,000 of these grams, it makes 1 kilogram. So let's learn this together. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Okay, so now we know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Okay, what if I have 2 kilograms? What will this be in grams? Yes, it will be 2,000 grams. 2,000 grams. How did I know? Because I have here 2 kilograms. So I will multiply 2 by 1,000. It will give me 2,000. How did we do that? I will put the 2 as it is. And from this number, I will take the zeros, count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So I will put here 3 zeros. Remember when we were multiplying by 10, I always add 1 0 to the number. Here I'm multiplying by 1,000. So I will add 3 zeros to the number. So 2 and 3 zeros. How do I read it? Yes, 2,000. If I have 3 kilograms, this will be how many grams? Let's do it. I will multiply 3 multiplied by 1,000. Why? Because 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 3 kilograms. How do I get it? Yes, 3 multiplied by 1,000. So I will put the 3 and I will add 3 zeros. It will be, can you read this number? Yes, 3,000 grams. So 3 kilograms is equal to 3,000 grams. So always when I want to convert from kilograms to grams, what shall I do? I will multiply by 1,000. I will multiply by 1,000. Let's try these examples. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Yes. What about 2 kilograms? It is equal to 2,000 grams. What about 3 kilograms? Yes, it is 3,000 grams. This one is for the super students, and I know that you are all super. 17 grams is equal to how many? 17 kilograms is equal to how many grams? Yes, I will take the 17 and add to it how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Can you read this number? What is this number? It is 17,000 grams. Super. So 17 kilograms equals 17,000 grams. Well done.